Oh, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna take the Fireteam out for a little spin, just did some work to it. Put in a big old fat motor. It's a 1250 kV Spektrum motor out of the 1/5 scale cars. Got it from Jenny's RC. A 23 tooth mod 1 Pinion from SpeedTek RC, and everything else is stock. I got two 3S 5200 powerhobby, which I'm a little disappointed in them right now. They're supposed to be giving me a warranty on my 6S battery, but they're not, so I'll probably never buy anything from them again. Yeah, you know how that goes. But yeah, so let's get this bad boy hooked up and out for a little spin here, guys. Test her out. Yeah, I'm a little bitter about that, but whatever, you know. Live and learn. So we will just strap this down so the wires don't move around too much. I can turn her on. Okay. Everything else is stock ESC, stock servo. Come on, get in there. I did shoe glue all the body, so it's a little tougher to get the pins in. They're not impossible, but they're not the easiest anymore. They were actually pretty easy to get in here, but okay. Let's see what she does, guys. Oh, water, of course. Yeah, the weather's been pretty crappy around here lately. Oh yeah, she's got tons of power, guys. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's like almost like a perfect setup here. I think a 23 tooth is the biggest I can get in there with the stock spur in there. Oh, come on, get it. Ah. Oh, got it. There's probably water right in that little hole. The weeds are getting a little steep over here. I don't think I'm gonna hit my jump over there. We'll see. Gotta be careful. Lose a tooth with the rocks flying. I came over here again because of, well, it's because of the weeds, first of all, but there's, it's been raining everywhere and everything is just so muddy. I'm supposed to get more rain tonight, tomorrow. Let's see what we can see what's up here. Oh yeah, it does the wheelies like I want it to now. I mean, it's not doing it right this second. I think I gotta stiffen up the center dip again after running it. Love it. Love it. He's plowing through the weeds. Oh, except for that one. A big weed. Ooh. Yeah, I think this is going to be a little, back side of that's pretty weedy back there. Oh, yeah, it's hard to get speed going up off of that thing now. The weeds just slow it down. Oh. I also want to see how hot it is. I didn't bring my temp gun, but we're just gonna touch it and see how compared to the 2050 kV. That thing got pretty hot after a good run, so we can keep this big motor cool. Oh yeah. Let's go see what she can do on this little road right here, huh? Oh, that was awesome. This thing's a beast, guys. Arrma's got some good tough trucks. Oh, I did it again. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. All right, let's see how hot she's getting. Yeah, it's got so much power now. I love it. This thing is set up good. It's warm. It's not hot like the 2050 is. Yeah, the 2050 you couldn't leave your hand on there very long. This one I can leave my hand on there pretty good. The Arrma's fan kind of suck, but they're not the fastest, strongest, but it's helping a little bit. And imagine during the summer, it's probably going to be pretty bad. So we'll probably put a different fan on there, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Right now it's fine. It's perfect for this weather. You know, you just I'm sure it's not over hot, like I said. So there you go, guys. I'll put this description down below where I got the motor, where I got the pinion, and all that. So please like, subscribe, and you guys have an awesome day. I know I did. Thanks, guys.